Good morning. Today we're going to look at a very interesting repair. What you're looking at is an 8x8 matrix display from the Pacific Coliseum scoreboard. And the reason this board is here, this is the back of it, is because, as you're about to see, it has detached from its mounting housing. This is the housing here. Now, see this little post here and here and there. Okay, on this mounting assembly here, you have all of these posts here. And these posts are oriented here on these pads. What's happened is it looks like these posts were soldered at the same time as the rest of the semiconductors. So most likely, if that was the case, then wave soldering was done. It looks like the solder was not hot enough, in this case, for proper adhesion, and therefore it detached. If they were to raise the temperature so that this was to become a good joint, it would probably fry the rest of the semiconductors. So I guess they had to reach a happy medium as far as temperature, but that's causing failures. So what I'm going to do, and I've done this before, is I take this product here, made by Loctite. It's a very good product. And what we do is we use an adhesive on this. There's no way I'm going to try and solder this. That's just insane and will result in failure. So what we do is we're going to clean these posts in these areas very, very carefully, and then use this adhesive to remount the posts. And then once this assembly is back in place, then I'm going to run a bead of silicone along the edges here, because we have some very good silicone, and that's to make sure this thing never comes out again. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll show you once it's done.